Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. The dress is ready. It took us 3 videos to make this dress. The event this dress was made for is long gone. Our customer is satisfied with the dress. She looks amazing in it. French lace and Spanish silk look incredible together. I want you to have a close look at the dress. The details are very important. The dress is not of a small size. If the front was fully covered with lace, the dress wouldn't look that light. The yoke made of net makes the dress look much lighter. Have a look at the neckline. It's edged with the same net, and it also looks amazing. This is the shoulder seam. There is no seam on the yoke on the back. Originally, we wanted to make a slit with a button here, but then we've decided not to do it. Have a look at the flounce. The narrow lace made the flounce look absolutely incredible. I remind you that the flounce was made of 2 types of lace. These scallops also look amazing. Our tailors made an incredible item, even though they were finishing it very late at night. Have a look at this angle. The edges were edged by hand. All the details are amazing. It looks like a sleeve from the front, but actually it's a flounce. We didn't want to make a seam on the yoke, so the zipper is hidden under the flounce. We create new techniques and designs for each item. There is no universal technique. Use your imagination. If a zipper started from the very top of the dress, we would have to cut the flounce too. Have a look at the scallops at the bottom. The silk is overcast. Very beautiful. Inga says that she likes the fact that the dress doesn't crumple much. It's very convenient. We wanted to attach scallops here, but Inga said that she didn't like that idea. Now I see that she was right. The dress was made using my 10 measurement cutting system. The darts are perfect. The bodice also fits her perfectly. We didn't have to adjust the dress much after the fitting. Having a perfect basic pattern, you'll be able to make items fast. It took our tailors just 2 days to make this dress, and our customer feels amazing in it. Have a look at the outfit. Black shoes match the back. Red lipstick also suits Inga. I believe that every woman has to wear a red dress at least once in her life. You may agree with me or not. Red dresses make women look amazing. I hope that you find my lessons useful. I try to show you something new each time. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Irina and Inga. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.